Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this. Queen Zainab, the former Queen of Ife, has been declared free to date or marry anyone her heart desires after the elders of Benin has allegedly returned the bride price paid by the Ooni of Ife. The former wife of His Imperial Majesty, Oba Ogunozi, Wuraola, can remarry if she wishes, as the customary bride price paid by the revered monarch was returned fully from the elders of Queen Zainab's family in Benin City. Recall that their marriage of 1 year and 7 months officially crashed on the 30th of August. The Ooni of Ife, Oba Ogunozi, was said to have first refused to collect the bride price, but after much persuasion by the elders, as it is in their tradition, told the monarch that it was a means of permanently terminating the marriage contract and finalizing the separation. The Ooni then said, "She's free now, she's free." The elders had sued for amicable settlement instead of a rough separation. Both families appeared relieved about this final foreclosure of the marriage that lasted less than 2 years. It was imperative that the bride price be returned, even as it is just a token, adding that it holds significant value and meaningful according to tradition. When a bride price is returned, the man no longer have ties or right over the woman in question, and they can only see themselves afterwards as friends if they so desire. A Yoruba popular Ifa traditionalist, playwright, actor, and author, Yemi Alevibin, opined on the consequence of a queen separating from a king. While noting that Ooni would not be the first Yoruba Oba to be separated from his wife, Alevibin stressed that marriage breakup is not very common among Yoruba Obas. He said, "The wife of the Oba will be asked to consult Ifa, and Ifa will give directions on how she will make the necessary atonement for her cleansing." In Yoruba tradition, a woman who has been married to a king cannot lay with any other man even if the marriage breaks up. But when the right atonements have been made, there won't be problem. On the kind of problems which an Oba's ex-wife might encounter if she refuses to undergo the traditional cleansing rites, Alevibin said, for the woman, she might not really have a problem, but for any man who sleeps with a queen or marries an ex-queen without the appropriate cleansing, the man may die prematurely, he may be struck with sickness, or there might be retrogression in his life. He explained that if an ex-queen wants to remarry, she will have to do the cleansing with her new husband. Both of them have to take part in the atonement procedures so that they won't have any future problem.
Thank you so much for watching our videos. And importantly, you need to subscribe, because we drop videos almost every day. Any events going on in Nigeria, Gua TV is always the first to get there. So you just need to subscribe, unless you'll be missing out. And how to subscribe? There's a circle here written Gua TV. Click on it, you see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's all.
And if any event just take place or you heard something, just go on YouTube, search for Gua TV. You see the.
And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.